Hey besties, how everybody feeling? Everybody feeling good? I hope everybody's feeling well and doing the best today. Today is a special video because it's a collab with a fellow YouTube mama. Her name is Mrs. Bernadette. Her channel is Busy with B. She is a wife and a stay-at-home mom. She has 3 kids. On her channel, she creates homemaking, cleaning, decor, and organizing videos. After you get done watching my video, head over to her channel and give it a look. Tell her I sent you. And if you're coming over from Busy with B, thank you. Don't forget to smash that like button if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you wouldn't mind more entertainment. And let's get into this video. As y'all saw from the beginning of the video, all your girl is doing is cleaning up the living room, and I'm going to show y'all how I shut down my kitchen, and that's it. So just sit back, relax, chill, listen to the music, vibe out, and just have a good time. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe and comment if you're new. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what's good. Introduce yourself, and I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let y'all just chill and relax and listen to the music. Now this right here is a lifesaver. Slow cooker liners for your slow cooker. If you don't got none, go get some. I'm telling you, get some.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you.
Hey y'all, thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video. If you're here and you're still watching, drop me a blue heart and a sponge emoji down in the comments, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Oh, don't forget to go over to Busy with B and check her out.
It's you. Baby, it's you. What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy.